My dear students, welcome to you all my online class. This is Muhammad Shafiqul Islam. I am heartily welcome you to my online class program. My dear students, I would like to discuss a very important topic from lesson 9, class 6. Health is wealth. You know what is health? Health is the soundness of body and soundness of mind. My dear students, at first I would like to read out the passage orally, and you all the students please listen to my lesson very carefully. You all the students will open your EFT page number 30. A proverb says health is wealth. To keep healthy is to keep free from disease and anxiety. Good health is proper functioning of all body and organs. It is also feeling well both in body and mind. People in good health are active, cheerful and happy. If you are healthy, you can be happy and can help others in society as well. To keep in good health, we should be careful about hygiene. The rules and practices of keeping good health are called hygiene. We must practice the rules of hygiene: proper food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest, sleep, cleanliness, proper medical care are essential for good health. And some important rules of good health are as follows. Balanced diet. Our food should contain correct proportion of carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals and water in it. Personal hygiene. We should follow the personal health practices such as wash your hands before eating, bathe regularly and wear clean clothes, brush your teeth twice regularly, do not let your nails grow long, cut them regularly. Wash your feet and hands before going to bed. Dear my students, we have discussed the lesson very carefully. We have learned a lot of good ideas from the lesson. Now, I would like to share my view with you. At first, we will read out 5 sentences or questions on whiteboard. Number 1, what do we mean by good health? Good health অর্থাৎ সুস্বাস্থ্য বলতে আমরা কি বুঝি? What do we mean by good health? সুস্বাস্থ্য বলতে আমরা বুঝি good health means soundness of health, soundness of body and mind. অর্থাৎ দেহের এবং মনের সুস্থতাই হলো সুস্বাস্থ্য। Number 2, what are the essential for good health? সুস্বাস্থ্যের জন্য কি কি জিনিস অপরিহার্য? Answer of the question is taking good food, rest, proper rest, sleep and exercise, and to follow the rules of good health are very essential for maintaining good health. Number 3, what do you mean by balanced diet? সুষম খাবার বলতে আমরা কি বুঝি? Balanced diet is such kind of diet in which all items of food value contained in this food. অর্থাৎ যে খাবারে প্রয়োজনীয় সব ধরনের খাদ্য উপাদান বা খাদ্যমান পুষ্টিমান বিদ্যমান থাকে সেটাই সুষম খাবার। এরপরে কোশ্চেন, হাউ ক্যান উই বি গুড হেলথ? আমরা কিভাবে সুস্বাস্থ্যের অধিকারী হতে পারি? We can be good health by following the rules of cleanliness, hygiene, and as well as soundness of body and mind. Number E. What do we mean by health is well? প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আমরা আজকের লেসন গুড হেলথে আছি। গুড হেলথ বিষয়ে আমরা আলোচনা করেছি। গুড হেলথ ইজ ওয়েল, অর্থাৎ এই লেসনের শিরোনামই হলো হেলথ ইজ ওয়েল। গুড হেলথের জন্য বেশ কিছু রুল এই লেসনে আছে। আমরা এই লেসনের ভিতরে এই শর্তগুলো বা বিভিন্ন বিষয় আমরা জানতে পেরেছি। এখন এই প্রশ্নটা হোয়াট ডু ইউ মিন বাই হেলথ ইজ ওয়েল, সুস্বাস্থ্য বলতে আমরা কি বুঝি? এই প্রশ্নটা পুরো লেসন, সমগ্র লেসনের ভিতর থেকে আমাদের পয়েন্টগুলো নিয়ে নিতে হবে। হেলথ ইজ ওয়েলটা আমরা কি বুঝি? অ্যাকচুয়ালি health is the best wealth. A sound body goes a sound mind. If we are unhealthy or sick, we cannot enjoy good health. In a word, health is the most important, most enjoyable wealth in our life. If we are not healthy, we cannot enjoy our life properly. My dear students of class 6 who are enjoying my class, and also the viewers who are watching my class minutely, I would like to say something to them. I have discussed in detail about rules of good health and how to become of good health. We have learned a lot of ideas points from the lesson, and also we are now able to answer the questions given on whiteboard. My dear student, we are now coming to the ending part of our lesson. We have learned a lot of things, and if we practice more and more, we can be more competent in our next lesson. Up till then, to all the students, my heartfelt thanks, good wishes, and my goodwill. Thank you all, my dear students.